Hello everybody, welcome back to C&S Corvettes in beautiful sunny Sarasota, Florida. It's your Corvette buddy Lyle here to, well, share with you our holiday schedules so you know when we will and will not be in the shop. We are going to be closing on Christmas Eve, December 24th, and we will be closed through December 28th. We'll be back in the shop the 29th through the 31st, and then again we will be closed New Year's Day, the following Friday, and that weekend back in the shop on the 5th. So we won't be available for phone calls or emails during the days that we're not here. Of course, the website will be working 24 hours a day, 7 days a week if there's anything you need for your Corvette while we are gone. And anything that sells between the 24th and the 28th will ship on the 29th. Anything that sells between the 1st and the 4th will ship on January 5th. So other than that, I wanted to say once again, thank you everybody who has contributed, emailed, sent us pictures, kind comments, all kinds of interesting information we've gotten on our YouTube video comments this year has all helped grow our channel and greater grow our knowledge of the Corvette community. And I hope everybody has a wonderful Christmas. We did not reach our 100,000 goal in the subscribers, but we picked up about 22,000 additional subscribers just in the last 12 months, which is huge. So thank you very much for that. And if you haven't subscribed yet, this would be a great time to do it over the Christmas break and let us get inch ever closer to our goal of 100,000 subscribers. I hope everyone has an absolutely lovely holiday with your friends and your family. I hope the joy of the season fills your household, and we'll look forward to covering more exciting Corvette stuff when we return after the new year. Y'all take care. Merry Christmas. Happy Hanukkah. Enjoy. Hello, it's your Corvette buddy Lyle here from C&S Corvettes in beautiful sunny Sarasota, Florida. I want to talk to you briefly about something we've had active for quite a long time that I've never mentioned here before. If you are looking to buy a Corvette, or if you are wanting to sell a Corvette, on Facebook we own something called the Vette Vault. And if you want to go in Facebook and just type in the Vette Vault, it'll take you directly there. This was something we established a long time ago for people wanting to buy and sell Corvettes, but didn't want to pay any fees, buyer or seller. This is a completely free service. The only reason we did it was so that people who wanted to buy and sell Corvettes could find each other without having to pay for the privilege of finding each other. But there's always cars for sale up there. We do limit only to Corvettes, and we don't allow Corvette parts or Corvette automobilia or anything. This is specifically for Corvettes for sale. So if you want to go on there, all you need to do is have a Facebook account. There's no fee to join. You just have to get in there and say, hey, I want to be a part of this. Nothing will ever cost you anything, and it's a good place to see what's available and what things are bringing. So if you are in the market for a Corvette, or you're just interested in watching what these things go for these days, this would be a really great opportunity for $0 for you to follow along. And if you have something that you want to sell, or a Corvette sitting out behind the barn that you are like, oh, I'm never going to do anything with it, this is a place you can put it for sale. Go ahead and visit the Vette Vault and, tell me what you think.